Hi, Deanna.
Hi, Deanna.
Hello, Truth and Equity.
Hello.
We are Robert and Barbara Cook, and we just want to say we thank God for Deanna, and we thank God for Truth and Equity. We found the system maybe 3 years ago, and we were back and forth on whether we want to ever actually try it.
Yes.
And finally, after about 3 years of seeing it and going back and forth, we decided to step out on faith and try it.
Amen.
And that was the time that we met Deanna. And Deanna, you are great, and we appreciate you, and we thank you for all your help and all the information, all your wisdom and knowledge that you have about the system. Always got an answer for us whenever we need it. Always can tell us whatever we can do in any given situation. And we just thank you so much. And Truth and Equity is awesome. Something we had never heard about until I ran across it on the internet searching one day. And we just thank God for it because it has given us financial freedom.
Yes.
We have paid off, property and stuff. And,
less stress.
It takes the stress out of your life because
it does.
as long as you work the system, you always have money at hand and you can use it or not use it. If you don't mess with it, it won't mess with you, and it'll always be there for you. And we thank God for Truth and Equity and all that is brought to our lives, all the freedom and having us to be financially carefree.
Right.
Naturally you have to be disciplined and all of that stuff, and it teaches you about that.
We
that
think
you have
everybody
to stay.
should join Truth
Everybody should join Truth and Equity, and we just want to thank, and hopefully all the rest of the agents are as good as Deanna is with us, and we just are so happy with her, and we just thank God for Truth and Equity and Deanna.
Thank you, Deanna.
Bye, Deanna.
Bye, Deanna.
Bye-bye.